Famous investment fund ARK Invest owns $17 million worth of shares in this electric vehicle stock that could double or triple in the future. Is it a buy right now, and why does ARK Invest love it so much? Just as a quick recap, ARK Invest is a famous and very successful investment fund that has massively outperformed the market's index these past years. They pride themselves on investing in innovative and disruptive companies that have a massive growth potential. The stock we're going to talk about today is in their autonomous technology fund, where they choose their investments based on if they have substantial benefits of new products and services associated with scientific research and technological breakthroughs in energy storage, transportation, automation, manufacturing, among other industries. And it just seems like the company we're going to talk about today meets these criteria. The company is a Chinese electric vehicle maker, but instead of making cars, these guys make scooters. NIU Technologies, ticker symbol NIU, not to be confused with NIO by the way, is a Chinese electric scooter maker that has gone up 250% in share price this year. Recently they have lost around 20% from the all-time highs though, and we might have a buying opportunity here. So there's a lot right now in favor of NIU. The no-brainer is that electric scooters have become more popular in recent years for a couple of reasons. They reduce pollution as an alternative to cars, and they're much more affordable. They also cut down on traffic congestion in cities, which will become a much bigger problem in the future by the way, as our population keeps growing. Also, I'm sure you have all noticed rental scooters becoming a lot more popular these past couple years. They are starting to fall out of favor right now though, and people are instead moving towards buying their own scooters. And that is what NIU is doing. They focus on selling scooters instead of renting them, and it seems like this is paying off quite well. The demand for their affordable and non-polluting scooters is really going up. Also, countries are having tons of issues with parking, saturation, and a general lack of regulation when it comes to rental scooters. This also suggests that they are likely soon to be replaced by people owning their own scooters and being responsible for their own scooters, and that's where NIU can provide their high quality products to tons and tons of customers. So why does this stock have so much potential, and how does it differ from the electric car companies? We have of course already seen that many electric vehicle stocks are taking off this year. However, electric cars are still more expensive than most traditional gas-powered vehicles. They also require the professional installation of a pricey home charger. Also, electric cars don't do anything about traffic congestion, which is one of the central problems about urban transportation. And this is where NIO can complement and exist alongside these electric cars. Electric scooters like NIU's satisfy the clean operation goal while also alleviating traffic. They're also private to the owner. According to Karan Girotra, a professor of operations, technology and innovation at Cornell University, well-regulated use of e-scooters and e-bikes can significantly improve urban commutes by providing a healthy, fast option for commuters, relieving congestion on roads and easing the pressure on public transit. So all these points sound good in theory, but let's see the cold hard numbers by taking a look at NIU's latest Q3 earnings report. NIU's third quarter earnings reflect the growing popularity of electric scooter ownership. And this is not just the case in China, the company's home country. Sales are increasing in other countries as well, up over 39% year over year in China and over 35% in international markets. In addition, NIO's reported sale of spare parts, accessories, and services of roughly $14.4 million is up 20% year over year. It is great to know that even if the company has a slow quarter in unit sales, it still has a lot of those existing owners paying for parts, services, and accessories, giving them a recurring, consistent revenue. I think if NIU only manages to keep growing at a similar or even a bit slower rate than it is right now, that would justify a much higher share price than its current one. The market cap of this company is only $4.3 billion, and with the revenue estimates for 2020 being $360 million, that's quite a small multiple. And especially if NEO for the next couple of years manages to grow with a pace that is even remotely close to the recent quarterly year-over-year growth, say 15%, then that would totally warrant a much higher share price in my opinion. And the potential is definitely there for these guys. As I said earlier, I think the stars are aligned for this company. We are moving towards more and more renewable energy sources, and the electric vehicle scooters of NIU not only solve these pollution problems, they also solve traffic congestion, affordability, and even stop the spread of germs from happening in public transportation. All this combined with the fact that one of the most successful investment funds right now, ARK Invest, also loves this company, makes me really think that this thing can double or triple in share price in the future. And I will probably add a small share of this company to my own growth portfolio. The $17 million worth of shares that ARK Invest is really no joke, and they have more invested in NIU than they have invested in Amazon.com. So that should say something about what they believe in the growth potential for this company. Right now, NIU has a $29 share price compared to the all-time highs of $35 a share, so I could totally see this thing going to $50 or $75 given time. As always though, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research and make your own decisions before actually going into the market with your hard-earned money. And with that, I want to conclude today's video. My name is Sam and welcome to the channel. If you found value after this video, it would totally make my day if you just liked the video. Helps the algorithm so much, helps the video reach out to more people, and it's simply the best way you can support me. Also, if you watched all the way to this point, and if you like the content of course, why not subscribe to the channel and join us in the journey to 10,000 investors by the end of this year. I appreciate all your support and nice comments, and I want to keep providing you guys with quality content. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.